Working with heavy equipment machines carries many risks, and even small mistakes can have serious consequences. Join us on this journey as we break down the mistakes to avoid and highlight incredible footage of high-risk situations. Crane collapses usually happen because of poor weight distribution and bad timing. Pulling the cables too early might have made the roof collapse even worse. That's awesome! With limited space to maneuver, the 3-axle Riedler trailer pulled off a clever turnaround. It's amazing how creativity and quick thinking always shine in tough situations. Wow! A 200-foot wind turbine blade trailer just pulled off an insane 90-degree turn on a pretty narrow bridge in Scotland. This is exactly why rear steering axles exist, to make the impossible possible when hauling massive equipment. If you're impressed by the skill it takes to operate these heavy machines, drop a 6 in the comments. Have you ever seen an excavator this massive? This is the Liebherr 84, being transported across a mining site. This heavy-duty machine is moved using a MAN-TGX 41.540 truck, paired with a specialized heavy haul trailer, ensuring a safe and efficient trip to its next job site. The driver is trying to turn a massive truck in the middle of the road, but it's so long that traffic is completely stuck. People walking by can't help but be amazed by the sheer size of it. What just happened? The the McCormick G165. Max is a heavy-duty farm tractor with about 150 horsepower, built for handling big fields and tough jobs. With four-wheel drive and a versatile transmission, it can tackle all kinds of terrain, from soft soil to rough ground.
Tell me what you wanna do. Give me everything you got. I just wanna try to get you in the mood. I just wanna hit your spot. I wanna get low. Wanna get low. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet and you make me crazy.
The CAT 990 loader is a massive wheel loader used in mining and construction. It can scoop and move huge amounts of dirt, rock, or heavy materials in a single bucket, saving time and effort. With its enormous size and powerful engine, this machine is built to handle the toughest jobs in the harshest environments. Let's check out this massive wheel loader, an absolute beast of a machine. Moving it requires a heavy-duty transport truck with serious hauling capacity and the flexibility to handle tough roads on the way to the job site. One compressor tried to climb onto the truck, but had a hard time and had to be assisted by another compressor to complete the job. Moving these pay machines was no easy task. Oh no, that's terrifying. A tank was driving up onto a semi-truck, but because of its massive weight and unbalanced gravity, the front of the truck suddenly lifted and the tank came crashing down. Definitely not what anyone expected. Navigating a crane through a small roundabout is no easy task. It takes not just a skilled driver, but also a machine that can handle tight spaces. Careful planning, precision, and a lot of patience are the keys to making it through safely. Navigating a crane through a small roundabout is no easy task. It takes not just a skilled driver, but also a machine that can handle tight spaces. Careful planning, precision, and a lot of patience are the keys to making it through safely. With its bulky size and heavy weight, moving an aluminum tank through narrow roads or sharp turns is a real challenge that requires skillful driving and a well-thought-out plan. A Russian tractor driver refuses to give up after getting stuck in the middle of a river. The engine roars, the tractor struggles hard against the water, and after a tough fight, it finally makes it to shore. That's insane! A massive heavy-haul truck was slowly making a turn on the rain-soaked road in Sögel, but suddenly came to a stop. At the same time, a giant gas tank started tilting and came crashing down into a field. A true test of strength. A 1.4 million pound trailer and 7 trucks trying to move it, but nothing budges. This is the kind of extreme challenge you don't see every day, especially on a busy street like Avenida Washington. Just one. How do you safely get a 30,000-pound excavator out of a silage pit? Oh no! A wheel loader got stuck and needed 2 other excavators to pull it out. This is a seriously bad situation. A massive excavator is making its way across a temporary bridge where every move has to be perfectly calculated. One wrong step, and it could slip off and tumble down the cliff. What's going on here? Two massive machines are racing, their powerful engines roaring as thick black smoke fills the sky. These beasts on wheels look like absolute monsters. What on earth? This road looks like it was made to challenge even the most skilled drivers. It seems almost impossible to conquer. Have you ever seen a ship carrying thousands of containers? A massive cargo giant with mind-blowing capacity. The truck recklessly tried to cross the mountain pass, just as a landslide sent rocks and dirt crashing down. Losing balance, it started tipping over, teetering on the edge in a heart-stopping moment. Oh no, that boat is really rocking. What a wild rescue. The D10's power is no joke, pulling that 150,000-pound beast out of the mud like a champ. Caterpillar D8N is an absolute beast, built tough to take on any rough terrain.
All the fields are gone. Fella stopped me on the street last night, said everything's alright. Roller coaster, make it through the day upright. It seems your meal ticket is gone, but life goes on. I could never imagine something better. Yeah, right. Now you're cooking on high heat in the middle of the street.
The Valmet 840.3 is an absolute beast. Even loaded up with heavy logs, it powers through deep mud like it's nothing.